This is an oscilloscope with a bandwidth of 20 mHz and easy operation. Let's measure the output of the built-in signal generator. It supports 7 common waveforms. The frequency range is from 0 to 1 MHz. Roll mode. Persistence. Latch the current waveform for comparison. Zoom mode. This function rarely appears on cheap oscilloscopes, but we've made it happen. FFT. You can move the cursor to check the frequency. Let's test the 6-digit high-precision frequency meter. Let's use single trigger to capture the power on waveform. We've captured it. Let's expand the waveform and see what it looks like. Bandwidth test. Use the cursor for manual measurement. Press the Shift button, and then you can move cursor to